Will Trump make Bitcoin the next global reserve currency? This shocking possibility could change the financial world forever. But is it really happening or just another hype? Stick around, and you'll discover the truth about Trump's cryptocurrency strategy and what it means for your wallet. The big question: is Bitcoin about to go mainstream under Trump? Since Donald Trump's victory, Bitcoin prices have skyrocketed by over 40%. But why? Some claim it's because Trump's administration is pro-blockchain and pushing for Bitcoin-friendly regulations. Others warn that strict rules might kill innovation. Who's right? Let's break it down. Who's really in charge of crypto policy? Meet the power players shaping America's crypto future. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, known for supporting tech innovation and blockchain startups. SEC Chair Paul Adkins promises clearer rules for crypto exchanges to attract big investors. Crypto czar David Sachs, former PayPal exec, pushing Bitcoin adoption and AI integration. But are these moves pro-innovation or just more control? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Could the US add Bitcoin to its national reserves? This idea sounds crazy, but some countries are already exploring it. Imagine the US government using Bitcoin as digital gold to back its economy. Real talk, businesses and fintech companies like Stripe and Cash App are already using stablecoins for payments. Cross-border transactions are becoming faster and cheaper thanks to blockchain. So, could the US lead the charge? Or is this a dangerous gamble? Sound off below. Bitcoin price predictions. Boom or bust. Experts say clearer rules could push Bitcoin prices even higher. But stricter laws could also scare off risk takers. What do you think? Will Bitcoin hit $100,000? Or are we headed for another crash? Let's hear your predictions in the comments. The risks no one's talking about yet. Sure, there's hype, but don't ignore these red flags. Tighter regulations might limit trading freedom. Data privacy issues could damage trust in the system. Governments may ban or control Bitcoin if adoption gets too high. Question for you: should governments control crypto or let it stay decentralized and free? Debate below. What's next for crypto investors? The Trump administration could reshape the future of finance, but the real question is, are you ready? Action steps for investors. Follow policy updates. Small rules can mean big changes. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk during market swings. Stay informed. Subscribe for updates on the latest crypto moves. Your turn. Let's talk crypto. Question of the day: should the US adopt Bitcoin as part of its national reserves? Why or why not? Drop your hottest takes in the comments below. Will we see a crypto revolution or total collapse? Let's get the debate started.